To check your transaction history on Snapchat, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Find Payment. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Payments option. Tap on it to view your payment settings and transaction history. Step 5. View Transaction History. In the Payments section, you will see your transaction history. Here, you can review all your past transactions, including purchases and payments made through Snapchat. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Snapchat whenever you need to. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app or consult Snapchat's help center.